Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we pull back the curtain on corporate announcements and see what the numbers really mean. Today we're looking at ReposiTrak Incorporated, and I've got a feeling this one's going to be a little different, a little more rewarding for shareholders. Before we dive in, if you like getting these kinds of clear, no-nonsense breakdowns of what really matters in company filings, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for more real-time discussions and to connect with other sharp minds, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. So what is the big news from ReposiTrak Incorporated, or TRAK as it is traded on the New York Stock Exchange? Well, on the 19th of September 2025, they announced something that usually gets investors pretty excited. They declared a quarterly cash dividend. Now this might seem straightforward, but for many companies, especially those that haven't paid dividends before or are growing rapidly, it signals a certain level of financial confidence and maturity. They are basically saying they have enough consistent profit to share some of it with their owners. The specific amount they handing out is 2 cents per S-share every 3 months, which adds up to 8 cents per S-share for the entire year. This payment is scheduled to go out to shareholders who owned the stock on the 30th of September 2025, with the actual cash expected around the 14th of November 2025. This announcement came out in a press release which is attached to this official report. Now, the report itself, this Form 8K, is what companies file to announce major events that shareholders should know about. While this particular filing is light on deep financial tables, the announcement of a dividend is a significant event in itself. It tells us about the company's cash flow and its intentions for returning value to its investors. Think about it, TRAK is trading on the New York Stock Exchange, a major exchange, and they are deciding to pay out cash. This isn't just a small startup talking about future profits, it is a company that has reached a point where it is generating enough reliable income to distribute. This can be seen as a positive signal about their business operations and their outlook. The signature on this report comes from John Merrill, the Chief Financial Officer. This is standard practice, as the CFO is typically responsible for the company's financial reporting and ensuring accuracy. His sign-off lends weight to the accuracy of the information presented. Now, let's put this dividend announcement in a bit of context. ReposiTrak Incorporated, based in Utah, is known for its supply chain management solutions. They connect retailers, suppliers, and logistics providers, aiming to create more efficient and transparent supply chains. Companies in this sector often see fluctuations based on economic conditions, consumer spending, and the operational efficiency of their clients. The decision to pay a dividend suggests that ReposiTrak's management believes the company is generating stable and predictable earnings. It can also be a way to attract a different type of investor, one who values regular income alongside potential stock appreciation. For existing shareholders, it is a direct financial reward, a tangible return on their investment. We don't have detailed financial statements in this specific report itself, as it is focused on reporting an event, but the act of paying a dividend implies that prior financial reporting, likely in their quarterly or annual reports, showed sufficient profitability and cash reserves. A dividend is usually a reflection of past performance and management's confidence in future earnings. When a company decides to pay a dividend, particularly a consistent quarterly one, it often means they have a good handle on their cash flow. They know how much money is coming in and going out, and they are confident that even after covering all their operating expenses, research and development, and potential investments, there is enough left over to share with shareholders. It is important to remember that the declaration of a dividend doesn't mean the company is necessarily growing at a breakneck speed. Sometimes mature companies with slower growth prospects will initiate or increase dividends to entice investors looking for income. However, for a company like ReposiTrak in the tech-enabled supply chain space, it could signify a maturation of their business model and a balanced approach to capital allocation, where they are not just reinvesting every dollar back into the business, but also rewarding their shareholders. Looking forward, the key for ReposiTrak will be to sustain this dividend. This means continuing to grow its revenue, manage its costs effectively, and maintain healthy profit margins. Any future reports will be scrutinized to see if the company can not only maintain this dividend, but perhaps even increase it, which would be a strong sign of continued financial health and growth. So, to wrap it up, ReposiTrak Incorporated's announcement of a quarterly cash dividend is a positive development. It shows financial discipline and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. While this filing doesn't give us the nitty-gritty of their balance sheet or income statement, the dividend itself is a strong indicator of their current financial stability and management's confidence in the company's future performance. Alright, that is our rundown of ReposiTrak's latest announcement. What do you think about this dividend news? Does it make you more interested in TRAK, or do you think it signals something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights. And hey, don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.